Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlineJobs.ph, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you calculate payroll hours for your VA in OnlineJobs.ph? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to calculate the hours for your VA in OnlineJobs.ph anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a few VAs, and if you're using OnlineJobs.ph, they do have a time tracker, which is convenient for your coworker and also for you to calculate their hours. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, OnlineJobs.ph. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and calculate the payroll hours for one of your VA coworkers, you're going to click on account here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click here on time proof. It looks like a little clock. Okay, for some reason, it always routes me to this page. I'm not sure why, but once you're on this page, you want to click here on start inviting your team. It's next to the green. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your coworkers that you're working with on OnlineJobs.ph. So go ahead and choose the person that you want to calculate their payroll hours. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the time proof payroll section for that particular VA. So the cool thing about OnlineJobs.ph is they automatically track the hours, and it's split up by the month and by weekly. So depending on how you pay your VAs, if you pay them weekly, you're going to look here in green. If you pay them monthly, you're going to look for this red number right here. If you pay them daily, then you're going to look at the blue number right here. Now, one thing I want to make clear is that in my experience, you definitely want to go ahead and change the time format to match your coworkers. So if they're in a different country, their time is going to be calculated on a weekly basis a little different. So the reason for that is because of time delay, or because they're working hours ahead of you or behind you. And that's really going to make a difference on Saturday and Sunday. And how you change that is up here in this yellow box. So it's letting me know that I'm looking at the calendar as my coworker sees it. I see they've worked 9 hours and 3 minutes for this week and 1 hour and 3 minutes for last week. But if we click here, we're going to go ahead and see what their calendar looks like based on their time zone. So let me click. Okay, so now I'm looking at the calendar in their time zone. It shows you right up here that I'm currently viewing the calendar in their time zone. So basically what happens is if they're working in the evening on Saturday, it's possible that it shows up on my calendar. I need to pay them next week, but on their calendar, it looks like I would need to pay them for this week. So all the time for the month is going to calculate correctly. But if you're paying on a weekly basis, it could be a discrepancy in order to pay them correctly. So normally I'm going to go ahead and use their time zone. So that way I'm going to pay them exactly what they're thinking based on what they see on the calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find and calculate the payroll hours for your VA in OnlineJobs.ph, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.